Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. I'm coming to you guys today, of course, with another wig review, and this is my last wig that I bought 3. I got the Outre wig. This is from Outre. This is the lace front with the Swiss lace parting, and she is in Stevie. I got the shade DRFF22730. So right here, I got that one. I didn't want to do stark blonde. I got this one. All right. Let you got pray. Let's see. She's not that long. I like it. I can appreciate it. Not a color I would normally wear. The waves on this are really nice. The colors are gradient. You can see more blonde tones, brown tones, dark brown tones. Not too much of a stark black. It's dark, but it's not too stark. And there's a nice blend to it, so I like that. The parting space is about 4 inches, 3.5 to 4 inches. The lace is soft. 2 combs on the side. Traditional wig cap build with the tracks, comb in the back, and the 2 adjustable straps. So I'm gonna go ahead, cut the lace, try her on, and hope for the best. The texture on the hair feels great. It feels natural, very, not silky, just a natural yaki, I'm assuming, like not natural yaki, but you know what I mean. Feels really, really good. I actually like the curl pattern on this, the wave pattern. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead. It looks like I can only wear her as a middle part, but you guys know I don't care. So I'm gonna leave the wig the way it is, like tightness level, and just tuck it in. We're gonna stick with the middle part. I'm gonna try this as a middle part. Ooh, the cap feels snug. Oh my God, the density of this hair, amazing. Oh my God, this is cute. There's a little humpage here, which is just the hair that's humping out. Oh, this is so pretty. I think this got Beyonce vibes all over it. Okay, I could see why the wig was a pain in the ass to cut, because the way they made the hairs was that so it falls on around your face, so it looks more natural and you can't tell that it's a wig or not. I don't know why I'm doing this. Do not ask me why I'm disrespecting this wig that way. Just out of curiosity, I wanted to see. This feels snug. This cap is snug, which I like, because I don't have a lot of caps that fit me snug. Why I feel like Beyonce. This is cute. I would wear it like this as a middle part. Oh my God, with the hoop earrings. You can't tell me nothing. The density is perfect. I did not think I was gonna like this wig, I'm gonna be real honest, because of the color, because I don't really dig blondes like that, so I don't know. The waves, perfect. It frames the face beautifully. The layers, perfection. It falls right to the boobage. Let me show you guys how it looks in the back. We're gonna get this done quick. This is how she looks like all the way in the front. I do have a ponytail, so it's not gonna look that good. This is what it looks like all put to the back. Let's see. Love the color though. It's brighter here and it gradients out into darker. Oh, wait. Oh my God, this is really pretty. And I think I like it more because it's not just a stark blondish, brownish shade. Let me see something real quick. Maybe this is cute. Oh my God, yo, mira que. Oh, my ears are red. I'm sorry. I'm stressed out. Oh my God, wait. Oh my God, que cute. Where's my pinche? I do not do this to wigs, guys. Do not judge me. Try to finesse the wig and it's a fail. Oh my God, I really kind of want it in a ponytail though. I'm not even lying. All right. So today I'm going to be using my, so I'm going to be using my wig makeup kit just to get the part. I'm actually just going to mix 2 colors. I'm going to mix banana with coffee with cream. So what I'm gonna do, where the hell's my brush? I'm gonna take, again, Coffee with Cream. I'm actually gonna take the darker shade first and then layer the banana shade on top. I, again, switch it up all the time. Look at that. It's not my shade. This is literally like my bronzer shade. No lie. But it looks so good in a parting space. Oh, and this is the wig makeup kit by the Virgin Hair Fantasy. Look at that. I'm actually gonna take it. This is the tip that she gave me, was take it and extend it. Clearly, I shouldn't have done that with that color. So I'm gonna go in with the banana shade and do it that way. There we go. And I'm gonna take the yellow banana shade and blend those two together, and it gives me my natural scalp color. That and the peach. Peach with Coffee with Cream and banana with Coffee with Cream give me my perfect shade. And I do it clearly, it's different per wig for me. Like, I like to kind of match up kind of what I feel like the wig needs. Usually varies by color and tone of the wig. It varies what kind of scalpage I would try to do to it. So I'm gonna go back in, really? I'm gonna go back in with the Coffee with Cream. Oh my God, this looks amazing. Let me see. I really want to try this half up, half down thing. So let me go get a hair clip. I'm gonna attempt to do the ponytail again. I'm gonna attempt it because the hair is like kind of still split from it. Oh my God. Wait, that's too much hair on this side. Hold on. Yeah, you need more of the brown. Right. Oh my God, this is so cute. It's probably too much hair, to be real honest. Oh my God, this is cute. I think this is adorable. Oh my gosh, she's cute. She's really cute. I feel like you can see the track here. Maybe not. Maybe it's just me overreading it. Okay. So I styled her in a half up pony. I'm sweating, y'all. I am sweating. So like, I could style her and keep her like this, get her out of my face, but I do have a couple strands of hair so it frames my face. This is probably the cutest wig I own right now. This is cute. I even like the color. I don't know if I like it for me. Definitely can't go like real crazy with the makeup. I think something subtle like this with the, you know, gloss or whatever will suit me. I think this is really, really cute. I think the color is definitely giving me J-Lo / Beyonce vibes. J-Lo usually has this honey blonde on her hair. Of course, her skin tone's different. And this definitely looks like a J-Lo wig. So if you're looking for a wig that has Beyonce vibes, this one's it. And this one's the Outre lace front wig in Stevie. This color I have is DRFF2/2730. Really liking her. I think it's cute. I think styling her like this makes it more fun and more doable for me. Even having it all in my face, it's fine. It's really pretty having it all to the front, and it's really beautiful wig. It's not too long. It's about maybe 18 inches, 18 to 20 inches tops, and it's got beautiful layers and beautiful waves. Cute, flirty, and fun. So let me know, sound off down below. What do you guys think? Let me know. Anyway, that's pretty much it. I love you guys so much. Thank you for sticking around through the madness. It's like a 25-minute video. We gotta shut it down. Anyway, that's pretty much it. I love you guys. Bye.